Welcome all you Zontes maniacs. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. So let's dive into this video. Zontes have transformed the 2024 Zontes 703F to its latest stage of development. Zontes have just launched the 2026 version, which is now on sale in China. They have listened to feedback given with the 2024 version. As well as developing the tech on the bike, they have also improved the 699 cubic centimeters three-cylinder, water-cooled engine, which boasts a high compression ratio of 13.0 to 1 and a bore-to-stroke ratio of 1.2, ensuring engine stability. The improved power output, combined with a newly designed transmission ratio, makes the overall driving experience more comfortable and smooth, with now little or no vibration. The dynamic and continuous pleasant exhaust rhythm makes the 703F fearless of the test of time, born for off-roading. So let's take a look at the changes to the motorcycle. 5 driving modes. By combining different control mechanisms, riders can switch freely between 5 riding modes: road, sport, rain, off-road, and rider, adapting to various riding needs. The new 6.75-inch TFT full-color, high-definition instrument panel, equipped with a high-performance quad-core processor. It achieves instant boot-up, with an operation response latency of less than 10 milliseconds. Zontes' new smart app, one-click operation, accompanying you every moment of your journey. The 3.0 intelligent control system supports CAN communication for real-time communication with ECUs, instruments, etc. It also features 4G, GPS, and Bluetooth capabilities. Dual-channel ABS system, not linked, so you have full control of your braking requirements. Traction control system, linked to electronic throttle. Full coverage stainless steel guard protection rails. Hand guards with integrated indicators. Aluminium alloy protective under panel for added safety off-road. Fog lights are standard on all bikes. Electronic seat pad release. Electronic fuel tank release, with added aluminium surround protection. Automatic starlight headlamps. Turn on the main headlights when detecting low light levels. Stepless electric adjustable windshield. It can be adjusted to meet different riding needs. Front and rear dual dash cams, equipped with a starlight level night vision sensor, a 140 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens, an f1.8 aperture, and 128 gigabytes of storage. 4-piston radial Brembo calipers. Brembo direct push. Pump brake resorvia. For improved braking feel. DID high-performance 525 width chain. Fully adjustable front and rear shock absorbers. Large 22-liter capacity fuel tank. Enlarged water and oil cooling system. The forged multi-link rear suspension effectively filters out bumps. The aluminium alloy rear rocker arm, formed of high vacuum die casting, is lightweight and has high strength. The unibody main and subframes are designed to withstand 11 kilograms of pressure and 19,000 N of load, 1.9 tons, without braking, while the subframe weighs 3.8 kilograms. The newly added cruise control function allows drivers to relax their right hand, under good road conditions, reducing driving fatigue and improving comfort during long-distance driving. Two-way throttle electronic fast sorting. Precise control of engine power output greatly improves shift speed, making acceleration and overtaking effortless. New heat duct cover. A new heat-conducting shroud has been added to the right side of the vehicle to protect the rider's calves and effectively improve riding comfort. Increase magneto power. To meet users' higher power demands, the Type A and Type C bidirectional fast charging ports allow for a combined output of 20 W when both ports are working simultaneously. New multifunctional button handle switches. Use low voltage and new backlights. New stitched leather seat cushion. More comfortable for those long rides. Well, that's all for now. I hope you have enjoyed this presentation. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment on what you think of this 2026 version, and what country you are watching from. Until next time.